friends are always with me. We sing, we dance, we laugh, we
Hi guys, in today's video, this video is called The Toddlers Go to the New School. So let's get started. Okay, I think they should be ready to go, so let's just go check on them. Guys, are you ready to go? Yeah! Okay, let's go then. Okay guys, please feel ready for the next time. Let's go now. I'm gonna go do something else. I wanna go on this slide. I have to wait down here. My turn. I'm gonna play the break. I can actually get inside the water. This is fun. I'm gonna get out here. Whee, the bike. Riding a bike is fun. I'm a builder's horse. I need a double triple gas. I don't want to. I'm gonna throw it. When somebody steps in it, they're gonna make a whole mess on the floor. I wanna make something. We shove it, my turn. No, I'm gonna go. Another one. I like this kind of thing. I like swimming. I don't think you should be doing that with the water. But it's called swimming. I'm swimming. Oh, okay. It's coming. Guys, come inside. Okay, Miss. Why so sad? Now there's a whole mess everywhere. Wait, that's not supposed to be here. It's supposed to be here. Wait, why did you even make a trap? Because it's fun and I wanted to. Okay. Because I play inside. Okay, you can play inside for a bit, so. I see the dollhouse. And I have a crazy animal secret animal itself. I'm gonna write this again. Now I'm gonna paint. I'm gonna write this. I'm gonna do this one. Then we're gonna rockin' this rockin' here. Rockin' dinosaur. Ow. And I'm gonna go boom, 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 boom. No need to do that. Boom. I said no need to do that. Boom. I said no need to do that. Boom. I still said no need to do that. Boom. Oh, I'm just gonna. I'm gonna sit inside the hut and cry. Where? Mine's crying. What's he crying? I don't know. He just said he wanted to sit in the hut and cry. So you are supposed you're gonna watch the TV. You're gonna do your mum and make up food. No, then you're gonna sit down and you're gonna make the food and stuff so everybody can eat. Actually, now you will come up here and up here into the boxes and then you go to eat. You're just and you look at me. Everyone's doing something. Where? Where? Please, rocking on the surface fun. Okay, so I think the giraffe we just often get the giraffe actually built. Giraffe is very tall. So I'm gonna sit on here because why not? And then I'm gonna cut the animal to the right animal. So we got Mr. Monkey, Mr. Monkey, Mr. Llama, Mr. Giraffe, and actually Mrs. His name is Mr. Monkey, he's a girl, and then the parrot. Actually, I'm gonna build a home for them. Yeah, let's build a home for them. Well, you can't fit in the home. Yeah, I'm not going to the home. I'm gonna make a little bit space in the home. Mr. Monkey, which is a girl. Her name is Mr. Monkey for some reason. I just want to name her that. And then we need to make a little bit more space for giraffe. The giraffe will be hanging on the roof. Now the roof can't be on Mr. Monkey and Mrs. Monkey or Monkey or whatever. I'm gonna do something. I'm gonna use Chrissy, and I'm gonna have like a blue hat, and my sister will do a blue hat. I'm gonna go mean full time. I'm gonna draw a body for me and one body for Chrissy. And this sun just adds some love hearts. 7. Me and Sissy. I'm gonna make this one go choo choo. I'm going to cut the animal. No, then this is a yes. Yes, and yes. Guys, I'm gonna show you a game that we Okay, Miss. We're gonna play this game. I know this game. Me too. Me three. So we're gonna turn up. We can literally have definitions. And I'll just put anywhere. Out. Yeah. Then I'll put here. And I'll put here. And here. And here. We're going to do extra sounds that we found in our way. I found this. I'm going to sit to make grow. So now sit in the nowhere. What? We're going to sit over there. And I'm going to choose, and I'm going to say all of your names. My name's Autumn. Evelyn. Winter. Rose. Evelyn. Jake. And Jacob. Jackson. Everybody says their name. Okay. So now we're just going to help him do it. It's going to press the key. And this is what I want you to do. As soon as you press it, take your finger off the thing, and then you just hold. Because if you press the wrong key, it now flips, and I don't want any of these first keys spaces. So as soon as you press it, take your finger off. We'll have Autumn. See, I think I didn't press the wrong one. Yeah, it was the wrong one. And then Evelyn. This one. I didn't press the wrong one. Winter. We'll have you now. Rose. Why is this going in almost like a straight line? This is not fair. I'm going to use that straight line. No, Rose. And we're going to restart again. Maybe let's do it in a line. Autumn. So, I'm going to be laughing at this. Evelyn. Winter. Rose. Smiley. Oh no! Again, this time Will, your next keep coming. Ah! This way now. I wanna try the system now. I wanna try press the top there because I never really pressed the bottom row. And I pressed the bottom row and I focused in. No! Last round. So don't be shouting at someone if you have another very new and to do. It's not going to be helpful. No! That's your fault. I literally just said don't be shouting at people if they ended the game. Okay, well, now I'm just gonna read this story. Once upon a time, there was a sloth. The sloth sleep and it never slowly walked across the giant field. The sloth family got worried, and they took the sloth to the vet, and the vet said that the sloth needed some medicine. The little girl always thinks when she woke up to give him medicine. And they lived happily ever after he started breathing again. The end. Wow! I'm so tired. Okay, I'm gonna do the story again. I feel tired. Okay. No. I will be there we go. Okay, so there was a little baby sloth and it did not move. It grew, but it did not move. And the big sloth family got worried, so they took her to the vet. And the vet said she needed medicine, or else she won't leave again. And then the little girl always went up straight away to give the sloth his medicine. The little girl and sloth became very best friends, and the sloth lived happily ever after. The end. So heart touching. I know, 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 I know. I thought you were sleeping. No, no, no. No, 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 naughty, naughty. What is happening in this class? Right, that's the end of today's video. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Bye!